Hey guys, scoot over. My favorite Pony Cheyenne family reality show is beginning. No way. We're gonna watch a horror movie, the scariest there is. Hey, I want to watch a romantic comedy. No, cartoons!
Girls, don't fight. Let's just take turns, okay?
I said we're watching cartoons. Oops. Oh well, I'm gonna go play with my dolls.
Now we're not gonna watch anything at all. I'm out of here. Me too. I'd rather just read something in my room, away from you.
No, girls, wait. Hold on. Oh, what to do?
What a lovely day for crafting. Huh? Who's crying over there? Fluttershy, what happened?
All the ponies fought over stupid TV.
What? How can you fight over a TV?
We couldn't decide what to watch. Everyone insisted to watch what they wanted, and then, well, you know.
Hey, I have a super cool idea on how to fix everything. You will make up in a jiffy.
Will you really help me? I'm so glad.
Of course we will. No one should fight and argue.
Hey, naughty figurines, why are you making so much noise? Ow! Duh! Cut it out!
Wow, what's all this?
Nesting dolls! We'll make portraits of your pony sisters on each one of them.
And when they see how great you all look together, you'll make up in no time. But to make the pony portraits look beautiful, we first need to coat the base.
Do you happen to have a spare brush? I want to do that too.
Sorry I gave it to Ken.
How could you? I know. I will just go and get it back.
Wait, do you know where he lives? Sammy?
Hey, Ken. Oops. Sorry for interrupting your tea party, guys. Ken? Oh, you look amazing, girls. Where is this Ken? Finally! Ken, I need that brush back. Sue and I have a super-duper mega-urgent craft.
Sure, Sammy, here you go. I'm tired of painting this house anyway. I've been doing it for the whole day.
Looks like I'm gonna have to help you with it. Maybe later.
I wonder if Sammy found Ken after all. I'm starting to get worried.
Sue, you won't believe how many houses I looked into until I found this.
Sammy, you are a hero. Here, you can paint it.
Shiver me cheddars. It was much faster than I thought. I'm a real pro.
Of course you are. And now, a very important stage. We need to outline our ponies. I want the biggest nesting doll be all about Princess Celestia.
And next up is Princess Luna. Wait, what does she look like? Luna. Lunar. I think I got it. Lunar means connected to the moon. So she's round and sort of looks like a pancake.
Not quite. Much better.
Oh, right. That makes a lot more sense. Alrighty, let's keep going.
Are you sure you're doing it right?
What? How did I mix up the pencil with the brush?
Don't worry. I wanted to speed up anyway. Now we're talking. It's time to make everything bright. So, who should we start with?
Okay, wait a second. Something doesn't add up here.
Sammy, what are you writing?
The perfect formula for reconciliation. Here, I came up with it myself. Bubbles make ponies happy, and happy ponies can't hold grudges for long.
Wow! Silver paint. Then it's decided. We'll start with Princess Luna.
Guys, can I help you too?
Sure thing, Fluttershy. And nice color choice.
Princess Luna also has a luxurious mane.
Oh, don't forget about the horn too.
Guys, we are a great team. Look how wonderfully it turns out.
Oh no, what's going on?
Don't mind me, ladies. I'm almost done here.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Empty. How come? See, I was trying to catch some darkness to make black paint, you know.
Do you mean like this?
What? So you had black paint the whole time? I mean, come on.
Sammy, your creativity never ceases to amaze me. Come on, don't pout.
Okay, fine. I'm not pouting, but I'm drawing the eye. Is it amazing or what?
Great! Our Princess Luna is ready. We can move on to the next pony.
Fluttershy, don't be shy. Where are you? We want to start painting Princess
TV. It's completely broken. No more movies. It's so sad.
Come on, Pony, cheer up. Want to see a trick?
A trick? With a mirror?
Yep. Have you ever heard of sun bunnies? They're super fun.
This is really fun. Oh, what is this? Paint?
Exactly. It's just the color we need for the Princess Cadence nesting doll.
Sue, pay attention. Look, you missed a spot. Here, let me help.
Huh? Who could it be?
I think it's for me.
Your package, Sammy. By the way, you didn't forget that you wanted to help me with the house painting, did you?
Yeah, I remember. And here's a candy for your efforts. Bye.
Wait, but, well, at least now, I have something to snack on.
Sammy, what is this? Don't tell me you ordered another set of Tibidaba chocolate?
Actually, it's something 1,000 times better. Behold, my signature color pink paint.
Your own paint? Wow, impressive!
I'm an expert in pink after all.
That's for sure. Okay, do you by any chance know an expert in yellow paint?
Over here, Sue. Sorry that I couldn't find more, though.
Oh, thank you. It's just enough for her mane.
Sue, you're so good at this. Princess Cadence will be thrilled.
Yeah, it looks good. But wait until Sammy adds the finishing touches. Voila!
Awesome. One more nesting doll is ready. Let's send her off to dry.
Let me summarize. We have Princess Luna and Princess Cadence. Who's next?
Celestia, maybe? Wait. No, let's make this one. Twilight Sparkle.
Great choice. Let's do this.
Fluttershy, I have a plan. We need to brew a friendship potion to make sure everyone gets along.
Ooh, sounds cool. Let's get to it.
There you go, Ken. Don't forget to paint the other side, too.
Oh, my poor friend Barbie. If only I knew how to help you.
Huh? Sammy, what happened?
Barbie needs a purple wig for the new play, but she can't find one.
Then let me help her. Here, take mine.
Yay, it worked. Well played, Sammy.
It doesn't look like a friendship potion.
Looks like the perfect purple paint to me.
Then I guess I'm glad that I could help.
Sammy, it's time to draw the eyes.
Say no more, Sue. Done.
Princess Twilight Sparkle turned out great. Do you agree?
Of course. I'll call up all the ponies here.
Hold your horses, Sammy. We're not done. Princess Celestia is yet to come.
Sue, I don't get it. If ponies are so friendly, how could they quarrel so much?
Anything can happen between friends, Sammy, but I'm sure we can make peace between them.
You're drawing Celestia already?
Yes, and you should help us.
Fluttershy, do you remember what color Celestia's mane is?
Oh, it's so pretty. Most of it is blue. And there's some green, too. And purple. Yes.
And I remember that she has a pink hair strand. Something is clearly missing here.
You think? Oh, all this creativity is so tiring.
This is the very thing our Princess Celestia is missing, guys.
And what's with all those markings? Is it the sun or something?
Exactly, Sammy. It is the sun. Well, what do you think, guys? Our Princess Celestia turned out just gorgeous, hasn't she?
Be careful, Sue. Don't smear the paint. Okay, I found a book about ponies to understand them better.
Great! And what does it say?
Ponies are very kind and smart and friendly.
Maybe their friendship is a key?
Well, of course, I know exactly what to do. Are you ready for some more painting?
As ready as I can ever be, and this is just the right color for our last pony. Little Flurry heart.
She's the smallest, so she requires the most attention.
Oh, this Flurry heart nesting doll is so cute. I can't believe you did all this for us, guys. Thank you. You're amazing.
Oh, don't mention it. We are all friends.
Sammy, why did you call us? What's going on?
Are they going to show cartoons?
Ta-da!
We did this thanks to Fluttershy to remind you how important friendship and mutual understanding are.
Wow, guys, they are amazing. It's like I'm looking in a mirror. Awesome! Oh, Flurry. And yours turned out so cute.
Yay, hooray!
Fluttershy, forgive us. We will never fight again.
Yes, the mission to reconcile the ponies was a success.
Thank you for being with us today, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like.
We'll see each other again very soon, folks.